What's up guys, welcome back. In this video you will discover how to use expand tool in Snapseed photo editing app. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It will be very inspiring for me. Let's get started. First, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Then tap open to open your desired photo which you are going to expand. I want to go with this image. From the tool section of Snapseed, select expand. Snapseed is showing you can expand it in all sides. There are three options underneath the photo is smart, white or black, which indicates you the part you will expand of your photo, that part will remain black, white or smart. Smart means as the picture is, the expanded area will remain the same. Black indicates black and white indicates white. In that case, I can select white because the image background is white. Place your two fingers in the image and pinch outside. Snapseed make this photo expanded. If you have finished editing, then tick the check mark. If you want to expand more, you can follow the same instructions again. If you satisfied with your editing and want to save this photo on your device, then click export. Tap save. Your photo is saved. That's all for today. I hope this video was very helpful for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you could get my upcoming videos. Take care, have a nice journey with the tutorial lab. Thanks for watching.